What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. I promised you guys I'll build you a workstation build for somewhere around like $400 to like $500. Now I managed to pick up some parts for you guys for around $400 to $460 I believe. The exact price will be under the spec in the description and stuff. But real quick, I just want to go through the parts I picked up, and basically I'm going to tell you where I picked those parts up from. So let's just jump in. So first thing, as you guys can see, I picked up a Asus P9X79 motherboard, the deluxe motherboard. I picked up this motherboard from Facebook. I got really lucky, guys. I paid for this motherboard around basically $100 for this motherboard. I picked up this motherboard with the i7-3930K brand new. Basically the motherboard is brand new and the CPU is brand new for $180. I know a lot of you out there will be like, you know, yeah, really, but guys, if you guys look for deals, you will find deals. So I picked up this motherboard and the CPU from Facebook. Facebook store got a lot of deals, guys. You just have to like search, because people there not really like professional like sellers, you know, they're basically selling this stuff they have extra laying around and they just want to get rid of it, not like Craigslist or EVGA or Amazon. So this motherboard is basically brand spanking new motherboard, because the person basically bought this motherboard and the CPU like 5 years ago for his girlfriend, and then something happened. He never went around build a you know, system for her, so he had it laying around and he posted on the Facebook, and like right that day I just contacted him and got everything from him, and he really hooked me up. Alright guys, so the CPU I'm going with i7-3930K, a 6-core CPU with 12 threads. Great CPU, guys. Also the CPU is brand new, as you guys can still on. So it's a 6-core CPU, 12 thread, and also I can overclock this CPU all the way up to 4.6 gigahertz, but I don't think I will overclock all the way up to 4.6 gigahertz, maybe 4.2 gigahertz. And so the cooler I'm going with, say H5 cooler from Cryorig, as you guys can see. It's a Cryorig H5 universal cooler. Now I also got lucky with this cooler. I picked it up from Craigslist for $30. Basically the person bought this cooler, it didn't fit in his case. I don't know what case he had. Maybe he had some smaller case. So I picked it up for $30. It came with everything inside, and it should cool the CPU, you know, without any problem. And yes, it does support LGA 2011, as you guys can see right here. Also, if you guys want to see the review for this cooler, I did a review. If you guys want, I can leave you know, video link in the description for the unboxing and installation guide and everything. And guys, the power supply I'm going with EVGA 450 watt VV power supply. If you are planning on like you know, going with RX 480 or GTX 1060 or like a RX 580 or 570 or GTX 1050 Ti, you can go with 450 watt power supply from like EVGA. Should be perfectly fine, and this power supply should work fine with this build. So yeah, and also I picked up this power supply from Newegg for $21, guys. I got a great deal on it. If you check the Newegg right now, this power supply is going for $39.99. So I picked up 2 power supply for $43, and that was like last week sometime. Yeah, you guys should jump on deals like that, like when you see those kind of deals. Now the graphics card, I'm going with the same graphic card I use in my other build, the $155 build. Now that graphic card had a problem, so I had to send that graphic card back to EVGA. Was still under warranty, and I got a replacement. The one I had a GTX 750 Ti regular, but EVGA, when I did the RMA, they sent me the ASC version. So when I bought this graphic card, I paid around $60. So you know, it's a perfect graphic card for, you know, if you're planning on playing like 1080p game, like a mid or high setting, GTX 750 Ti should work perfect. Also the SSD, I'm going with the Samsung 850 EVO 256 gigs. Also I picked up this SSD from webuy.com. Check out the website. I'll leave a link in the description. You can pick up some great parts for like a really good deal. So yeah, and the RAM I'm going with, so I'm going with the same RAM I use in my other build, the $155 budget build. It's a Crucial Ballistic Sports as you guys can see right here. Crucial ballistic sports. It's an 8 gig stick. Nowadays RAM price is really high. I tried to buy like 8 gigs of RAM, like a different RAM, and it was costing me almost like $50 to $60 just for 8 gig. So I'm just gonna stick with this 8 gig right now. I was planning on going with 16 gig, but for now I'll just stick with 8 gig. So guys, let's just go on with the build video and enjoy. All right, I hope my new Lavalier microphone, clip-on microphone sound okay. I hope so. I paid $2.99 and I'm kind of testing the microphone while I'm making the video. So as you guys can see, I'm finally done with the X79 build, a perfect budget, workstation slash gaming build, and the system is running flawlessly. I'm loving it. Now, as you guys can see, I did go with InWin 303 case, one of my favorite case, guys. The case is different from any other case like NZXT case or Factoral case or basically any other case, I just like the unique design of this case. I did use this case in one of my other build, Ryzen 1700 build. You guys should definitely check out the video. The video got around 80,000 views and 1,000 like, and also don't forget to give this video like and don't forget to subscribe. Now guys, the reason you guys not going to see a gaming benchmark in this video, because I personally think GTX 750 Ti for this build is not a pretty good match. It's not a good match. What I mean by pretty good match, it's not a good match. So I'm looking for a GTX 970 or a RX 480. Most likely I'm not gonna get an RX 480 because RX 480, oh god, yeah, because the mining and all this crazy cryptocurrency. All right, forget about the RX 480. I'll try to get a GTX 970 and then I'll show you guys a benchmark. So guys, stay tuned for the part 2 video. You guys are going to enjoy the part 2, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, whatever you guys feel like doing.